guys, today we bit out a candy scene with our Didi Bitu. Let's go put it again, action. So guys, we had a body, we had a shawl, we had a candy, we had all the pieces.
Let's put it together.
Let's put it together.
That sounds like a great idea.
A little bit of work. Let's go, move on.
Now look at this piece.
That.
How does this go?
I know.
Look at this. Does that line up to that?
Yeah.
Well, I wonder if this will fit good.
How am I gonna do that? Is that in the cables? Are you gonna say what I would do? Yeah.
So look, now we have the front on there.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Do-da.
So there's these clips going back.
Is it so hard?
They're pretty hard to get in there, but this is in here really tight. We'll put those in a little bit later. So let's put on the handle.
Yeah.
Maybe this will go on good.
Or not. Well, guys, last time Daddy was Susan and he broke the candy scene. But we are back for work and we need to bend it all again. Look at the whole knife. Let's be back to work. We just need to put the handle. This one. To see we broke it. Why we broke that? It was way too short. Be careful now. Not careful, guys. Watch out for the bake. He didn't get it.
Okay, let's throw this bad away.
Yeah.
All gone.
Oh, God.
So, what do we have here?
The jar.
What do we put in the jar?
Candy. Can I do it?
Yeah. You have to pour it in here.
All by myself.
Yeah. Don't make a mess.
Okay. That's it. Oh, you can't. Oh. Does this get good?
And how do we get it on here? Let's go like this.
This. Wow, how is it not falling in?
Put this back cover on. Hold it. We can lock you guys out of there. This will hold it on pretty good.
Can I raise the money?
Okay, let's see.
Where did we put it out?
Put the quarter in.
Oh, that's how?
Turn the handle. Keep going.
Whoa! Too much. These are yummy, guys. You can make one now a Didi Bitu. Without the ends. You can fire the ends.